So I promise I've got some more exciting things ordered for the TW back there that should be showing up any day. I'm really excited to get those on the bike. I'm excited to make videos for you guys. If you guys want to make sure you see those videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button, click the bell after you subscribe so it lets you know anytime that I put a video out. Today, however, we're doing filter maintenance. I just went ahead and ordered 2 brand new UD filters right away. I'll put an Amazon associate link down in the description if you use that link. It doesn't cost you anything extra, but it helps me out. I'm not really sure what we're gonna be dealing with as far as the air filter that's in there. I have a bad feeling that it's maybe never been cleaned at all. Maybe I'll be pleasantly surprised and I'll end up with 3 filters, but I'm thinking I'll probably just end up throwing it in the garbage. I guess we'll just have to see. For now though, I'm going to pop these both out of the packages, get them oiled up. One of them will just be going right back in one of these packages, and we'll be getting taped up for next time, so I have an easy changeover. I don't have to wait to clean my filter and then let it dry before I re-oil it. I'll just have another one ready to go. Now, I'll be completely honest, I really don't know much about filter maintenance beyond just the basics, but one thing that I do know that I will tell you is that you don't want to be wringing the filter out. Squeezing, pressing, smushing, all that's fine. Don't wring it. So thankfully Yamaha made it really easy for us to get at the filter on this bike. It's actually only 2 fasteners. It's going to be 2 Phillips head screws here and here. Once those 2 are removed, all you'll have to do is pull this panel kind of down, rotating it to about here, and then you can pop this little kind of goofy shaped pin, kind of a half moon deal, out of the rubber grommet right here in the tank. And look at that, there's a bunch of specs in there. Good to know. So here we're at the airbox already, and it looks like we've got 1, 2, 3, should be 4 fasteners. Apparently the powerful vibrations from the TW rattled that out at some point, so I'll have to find another one to go in there, but we'll get these 3 removed. This is a good example of why the air filter should be the first thing that you address when you buy a new motorcycle, not after you ride it for 3 weeks. So this is just gonna pull off, and then it looks like the filter is just resting right inside here like that. So the outside of this does look a bit nasty, kind of what I expected. The inside, however, does seem like it remained pretty clean, other than a few finger swipes here just from me handling it. The outer part here, the kind of skeleton, I'm gonna keep and clean up. This, I think, will just be going right in the garbage. I think this has done its duty, and that can just get tossed. So I got the airbox pretty well cleaned up. I think that's just about ready to go. I also cleaned the inside of this all up. I cleaned the little filter bracket up, cleaned the outside a bit. So I think we should be ready to put the new filter in here. Before I do that, I'm gonna take just a dab of this grease here, and I'm gonna spread it all around the kind of inner perimeter here where the filter is gonna be contacting. You don't need too much, just enough to kind of make a little bit of a seal just in case it's not completely tight in there. So I got my little grate installed already, so I'm just going to lay the filter on in there. As you'll notice, the kind of finer mesh foam is on what we're looking at is the outside here will in turn be on the inside there. So when the air comes in the box, it's going to hit the back side of this, which is that red kind of wider cell foam. One thing you want to check just before you stick it in here is that you do have the little rubber seal on the inside channel of here. It looks like mine's all still in place. Kind of want to watch the filter as you go to make sure it's going into the right spot. Keeping that kind of compressed as I tighten my fasteners. I'll have to see if I can find one for that. So I didn't have anything laying around that would perfectly match the stock bolts, so I ended up just kind of making one. What I mean by that is basically I just threw a washer on this kind of longer bolt and then shaved the tip of it down so it's the same length as the stock bolts. And because there was already one that fell off at some point, I am going to put just a little bit of blue Loctite on all of these. So there we go. TW's got a brand new, freshly oiled filter and is ready to go. It's still a beautiful night out there, so I think I'm going to throw my helmet and other protective gear on, and I'm going to take the little TW out for a ride. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, give it a like. Let me know down in the comment box below. Take care, stay safe, stay swanky, get out, enjoy this beautiful world if you can. And if you can't, check out some more videos over here and hit that subscribe button. Click the bell after you subscribe so it lets you know anytime I put a video out.